Hi all, today we'll learn about business buying behavior and its process. Business buying process is the process where business buyers determine which products and services that are needed to be purchased and then find, evaluate, and choose among alternative brands. Business markets differ from consumer markets in market structure and demand, and nature of the buying unit, types of decisions, and the decision-making process. There are fewer and larger buyers. There is geographic concentration. Buyers and sellers are dependent on each other. Business buying behavior refers to the buying behavior of the organizations that buy goods and services for use in production of other products and services that are sold, rented, or supplied to others. Also included are retailing and wholesaling firms that acquire goods to resell or rent to others for profit. Now we'll discuss business buying process. It is quite different from the consumer buying process because in this case the business market is involved in different set of characteristics and demand. Companies are doing business in business markets and adopt separate marketing strategies. The business buying process is split into 8 stages. The new task of buying contains of all these steps, whereas the straight or modified rebuy may skip some of them. These stages are as follows: problem recognition, description of general needs, specification of products, search of supplier, proposal solicitation, selection of suppliers, order routine specification, performance review. Let us discuss each one of them one by one. The first is problem recognition. In the first stage, the problem in the existing product or service is recognized, or a need for a new product or service is identified. For example, increased business transaction give rise to need of laptops to process and to record them. The second is general need description. In the second stage of the process, the quantity and characteristics of the product or service is determined. For example, if the IT department requires new laptops, the manager is supposed to determine the number of laptops that are required. The third is product specification. In the third stage, the manager is required to give the specifications that are needed in the product. The list of specifications plays an important role in the selection of the brand that from where the organization is going to purchase the product. In case of laptops, the manager needs to specify the speed, processor, RAM, and other important features that should be available in the laptop. The next is supplier search. In the first stage of the organizational buying process, there is a thorough search for the suppliers in the market and a list of potential suppliers is made. The fifth one is proposal solicitation. In this step, there is an acquisition and analysis of the proposal. The proposal that is given by the suppliers are then taken into consideration and analyzed thoroughly to select the best suppliers from the pool. The next is supplier selection. After analyzing the proposals, the best supplier who offers the required product that fulfills all the specifications that are needed at the lowest price and best quality in the market is selected. The next in this line is order routine specification. After the best potential supplier is selected, the organization then writes the final order with all the specifications needed and hands over to the supplier. The last one is performance review. In the last step of the organizational buying process, the feedbacks on the supplier's performance are taken and then evaluated for further dealings. This marks the end of this video lecture. Thank you.